Hey, hi. So you all know you use in a water at huge level for requirement for kitchen and your bathroom and multiple activities for in a daily routine. So any chance have you thought across where does the water go through after utilizing for your self-utilization? So I'll just give you a small quick understanding. So this is a school what we have built. So for the school requirement, water is consumed nearly around 60 to 70,000 liters in a day. To this, the school requirement, what the wastewater is generating of around 60,000 liters in a day. So to keep that scientific disposal, we have structured a sewage treatment plant. I'll just show you a quick run through of. So this will be in a first area where wastewater will come, and we have considered this as a screen chamber tank where it will separate multiple physical debris which is coming out from the wastewater. Okay, from there the water gravity passes to a collection tank. Through a collection tank, it's separating the oil and grease within a gravity. The water is flowed to a next follow tank where aeration, a huge amount of air is spread into the water. With this, the DO gets increased where the biological process will enhance, and with the help of the biological process increasing, so we are handling the water COD and BOD where to make it proper to level to maintain the MLSS. So we are adding a bioculture here to as a small enhancer. So this is in a plant room where wastewater is gravitatively till this tank water is received. From here water is taken to an SBR tank. So that would be a system which we have designed in a sequential batch process. So as I have explained, so screen chamber, from the screen chamber to an equalization, from the equalization water is taken to an aeration. From the aeration, with the help of pump, water is pumped to an SBR tank. From the SBR, the process happens for a separation of solid and liquid. Once after the liquids are separated, it's taken to a filtration activity. Once the filtration, here is the filtration system, how it works. So there we have provided a complete automatic panel. With that, the operations happens completely automatic. So the water is pumped to this filtration system. So in this filtration, after the filters, we have also placed an ozonation. With the help of ozonation, whatever the built or left out microbial contamination is further addressed. With that, water is taken to a collection tank. From there, it is pumped back to an reusage purposes of garden, flushing again back to the flushes. So in this way, if you organize your any institutions, right, so you will save 50% of your water demand. So you know today water is being pumped from 200 kilometers away, for an example of Bangalore kind of city. So pumping water from so far is very expensive, and the water which is coming in each drop is meaningfully we have to utilize. To do this, even the government is also insisting the societies, big societies, institutions to get set up of sewage treatment plant. So anyone is looking for these kind of sewage treatment plant, please get connect with in Varuna. So we are in a one-point source people who can give you a complete end-to-end design, installation, commissioning with an handover along with a maintenance if they are